Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So here I am again. Today my skin is at its worst. ये रोज का ही हो गया. मेरी skin is never perfect. But still, as you can see, I have some makeup on. Today is Sunday. I was testing out some very old makeup and just मुझे देखना था कि are they performing good or not. So and also I hope you can't notice. I hope you can't notice because one eye पे I have a blue eyeliner और एक पे black है. But ठीक है, that's not the main point of this video. You have seen the main title of this video. There are some products which have not worked for me. These products have claimed कि ये काम ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं, but for me personally I did not like them. Plus I didn't, there are something about the products that I just didn't like about it. So I have 4 products with me which were quite viral and many people have used this and many people have given a good review about it, but they haven't worked for me.
No! God, please, no!
Okay, before going ahead, I know many people must have noticed that I'm making a lot of beauty content from the past, a lot of videos. I'm really liking this genre and हाँ बस मुझे मन कर रहा है to make it and I really love makeup, so I'm really enjoying और views भी अच्छे खासे आ रहे हैं. आगे के और videos I'm just really excited to make because something exciting is coming. Out of the 4 things, let's start. First, the very viral thing, ये काफ़ी viral गया था. This is the Mars Plumping Color Changing Lip Oil. इसके बारे में I was very excited from the very start because जो videos में इन्होंने claim किया था that this is plumping, which it does. Okay, this is very nice. पहले मैं बोल देती हूँ, it's nice. It is hydrating. I really like the shade in this, but मेरा जो मेन मोटिव था फॉर परचेजिंग दिस वॉज कलर चेंजिंग. लिप ऑयल तो मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते बट आई वॉन्टेड फॉर द कलर चेंजिंग थिंग. आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ pH related color changing things, but for me personally I don't know about pigmented lips, but मेरे लिए ये बिल्कुल काम नहीं किया है. दिस इज़ वेरी हाइड्रेटिंग. आई पुट ऑन डेली, तो देखो मैंने लाइक कितना यूज़ कर ही लिया है. इट डजंट चेंज कलर. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोज़. आई वाज रियली इम्प्रेस्ड by this product. I don't know, it doesn't change color. That was my main motive to buy this product. The applicator and everything, I'm a very big fan of this. बहुत hydrating है even after it's gone or something. It feels very soft on the lips and everything. The consistency, everything is very nice. I'm just disappointed that वो color नहीं दे रहा. I have a very similar product ऐसे ही है, but that's from Zudio. That's a plumping oil that works way better than this and gives a much darker color and the tint. So yeah, for me especially, this didn't work. My next product is again from Mars Cosmetics. This is their gloss. ये भी अगर देखो तो मैंने अच्छा खासा यूज़ किया है, बट ये एक दिन में ही मतलब ऑलमोस्ट इतना हो गया था because I had gone for a trip and I had just taken this product and my little sister was also using it. Once again, this is a nice product. It's a nice gloss. It's the Jelly Mars Candylicious Lip Gloss. It is in the shade Jelly Bean. The shade is really good on me. The gloss is really nice. The amount that you're getting is also very nice. But first I want to come on the packaging. I don't know, जब भी मैं ये लेके गई थी on my trip, this used to leak a lot. I don't know, but ये बहुत leak और ये बहुत चिपचिपी हो जाता है. I used to always keep it or wrap it around a tissue. So the first thing is it does leak. That's why this product I can't take it anywhere. या तो मैं ये घर पे या इधर उधर किधर जाती हूँ, I just put it for that. Second thing is that it doesn't last long. It doesn't last more than 10 minutes. For example, मैंने ये अभी लगाया and I'm continuously just talking. Either it just evaporates within 10 minutes or maybe I have eaten it up and it goes away. So it's basically, problem is you have to reapply it every 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. बहुत कम दिनों में ये ख़त्म हो जाएगा. So this is like a no-no for me. So my next two products, they are from Zudio. Zudio का मुझे एक problem लगता है. I'm not buying Zudio products anymore. First I used to buy a lot because of the attractive packaging and stuff. But they don't perform that good. Their pigmentations are also not that great, but I do have some of their products which are working fine for me. मैंने काफ़ी Zudio के cosmetics लिए हैं, plus they are also very budget friendly as well. So my first product from Zudio is this Cheeky Shine. Okay, I really like the packaging. It is really cute and even the shade is really pretty. For the pigment to come on, मैं ना थोड़ा इसे warm करती हूँ and then it comes. It's a really nice shine. तो आपको ना प्रोडक्ट को you need to warm it up so it glides properly. I don't really like it. ये बहुत okay ना कैमरा पे ये it's looking decent but it's very chunky. I especially liked it because I wanted to use it for my eyes. और ये ना बिल्कुल visible नहीं है. This product is literally not visible. I don't know, maybe because I'm standing in front of the sunlight or something. ये दिख रहा है, but I don't know. I just didn't like the formula of it. Firstly, it's very chunky. It's not that visible if I'm doing my makeup. इसके पहले भी I had a very similar product from Zudio itself, which was some eye shine something. मुझे नाम नहीं आ रहा. वो भी it was a beautiful pigment. जब भी आप हाथ पे you check the shade and everything, it's very beautiful. But if you put it on the eyes, it is just not visible. So I don't know. This again from Zudio, the Cheeky Shine has not worked for me. So next again I have this gloss from Zudio. Here I feel like questioning myself. Firstly मैंने ये product लिया ही क्यों? Again the packaging of Zudio is very nice, very attractive. So it's a shiny kind of gloss. I think so मैंने ये लिया क्योंकि packaging ही attractive थी. Comment that I've not even used it once. Firstly, the consistency of this gloss is very thick. Hamisha, while you're talking or something, it always goes in your mouth and it has a very weird taste of this. So problem यही है कि yeah, I mean you can use this if you're putting a lipstick and a gloss on that. But my main problem is I just didn't really like it. The consistency is very thick. You can see that I've used quite a lot and I'll tell you how I've used it. So I have this old lipstick. This is around like 5 years old and I got this from Studio West. और ये almost खाली थी but I really like the shade and I feel like मुझे ये shade वापस नहीं मिलेगा. So what I usually do is these type of glosses जैसे मैं नहीं यूज़ कर रही हूँ इसको, I refill this into this so that ये इसका color is created.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So I reuse such lipsticks like this. So just for that purpose I am using this. बस इसका यही problem था. I don't really like the consistency. It is too thick. That shiny thing, I really don't like that sheen on the gloss. Yeah, that's why I just didn't like it. So yeah, these were the 4 products that did not work for me. I don't know if it worked for you. You can comment down below. But yeah, that was the video and I wanted to share because these products are quite popular and people are liking them. तो मुझे अपना एक review देना था कि why it didn't work for me. Yeah, that was it for today's video. You can let me know about some amazing products and I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.